Cobra Pose. Lie on your stomach and place your forehead on the floor. You can have your feet together or hip width apart. Keep the tops of your feet pressing against the floor. Place your hands underneath your shoulders, keeping your elbows close to your body. Draw your shoulder blades back and down and try to maintain this throughout the pose. Draw your pubic bone towards the floor to stabilize your lower back, and press your feet actively onto the floor. Inhale, peel your head and chest off of the floor. Keep your elbows lightly bent and your pelvis on the floor. You can test the engagement of your back muscles by taking your hands off from the floor for a moment to see what is comfortable. A maintainable height for you. Keep the neck long and in line with the spine. Hold the pose for 5 slow breaths. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, lower back to the ground.